Brad Hall here with Travis Scott's take on the Michael Air Jordan 6. What's this shoe like in person? How would I recommend styling it? That is all ahead. Travis Scott did an incredible job on this shoe. These materials, they are a lot nicer than I expected. The olive upper is a nice suede. It is just really good on your fingers. And then this, I just wasn't expecting this at all. On this tongue area, you've got a canvas. The shoe has this army look to it, and I think that canvas, that was a really fitting choice. Now let's talk about this pocket. It is not as big as the pocket on the Michael Air Jordan 1, but it is very deep, and it's well made. It's like a rucksack, but a very small rucksack. The last feature that really stands out on this shoe is on this sole. The creamy sections are actually glow in the dark, so this shoe is gonna look as cool at night as it does during the day. There are also just a lot of cool, smaller details on this shoe, details that really make it feel special. It shows that Travis Scott just continues to up his sneaker collaboration game. For inspiration, I look to Travis Scott and how he wears them. He makes them look so cool, and I think a big part of that, his choice in pants. So I did some research and I tracked down what I think would be pretty much the perfect pair of pants for this shoe. It has kind of that army or utilitarian look, so that's what I settled on. I was going to get that pair, but I looked it up and they are way too expensive to justify buying those pants. I would have to sell the shoes, and if I did that, I wouldn't have the shoes anymore. So the pants, I wouldn't really need those, I guess. I thought maybe I could find a similar pair at Target, so I checked there, and I couldn't find anything that was really that close to it. So I decided I am gonna make a pair just like that expensive pair of pants. And I did, and I'm very excited to show them to you. All I needed, a pair of pants, some parachute cord, and a roll of duct tape. I'm gonna show you those pants right now. Pretty much going to get you that identical look to the much more expensive pants, and they look even better with those shoes. That is just a really cool look. Look at that comparison. Maybe the color of the pants is slightly different, but that's really about it. The fit and the style, totally nailed. Thanks for watching this episode. Give those pants a shot if you want to. I'll see you again.